Hello, good evening. Hi, Ams.
Hi! Sige, mag-vlog orange jelly. Kaya mo.
What are you doing, Ams?
Wala lang, nagduka ko. Matulog ko.
Gilantan ka?
Kinantan lagi ko.
Luuyan ni mo, oy.
Lagi.
Iring man ka good.
Nasad ko ang camera.
So,
Nasad ang camera. Nasad siya. Gilantan siya.
ako gilantan, oy.
Hawang cubicle. Hugaw ka ayo. Pati kaya mong cubicle dere. Bigot ko is din. Grabe.
Okay, mo ni ang cubicle ni Ams.
Hugaw kayo.
Kanang na siya mga libro ko gihan kay si Ams. Muna yung headset. And muna among relo. Hapit na jud ang time para may magklase. Muna ang schedule ni Ams.
Hindi na ako schedule.
Aw dili day sayo.
Dara ako schedule.
Wow, na jud among mga picture diri oh. Gitapot.
Mga picture.
Dili lang na amo as in.
Tanawa. At ang orange na hindi ka.
Yes, palakaon kay si Ams.
Ayun,
As in, grabe. As in, atuon sa nako si Rosel. Ha? Bye!
Global world.
Rosel is having a class. Hi. Rosel is having a class. Hi.
You want to be a famous person in the whole world? So you want to be an interpreter. So you want to know all the languages.
This is our cubicle.
Good work. I hope you can do it. Okay, so let's have the next word. How do you feel when I say school?
That's our manager. Yes. This is my cubicle. This is my cubicle. It's very empty. Look at. Empty og tao. Okay. That's my book. And my headset. My room. And oh, there's a memo. I'll go back to hi that's my manager.